Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I want to give you my review on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'm going to go over the things, I enjoy, some things I wish they would have not taken away, and just my overall experience with the phone. I'm going to try to do this under 5 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. I like to talk a lot, so that might be a problem. Let's go ahead and get into it. The overall build of this phone is great. I love the sides. I love how they are matte finish. I also like the change where they made the display or the corners more rounded here. The matte finish on the back. Just the overall feel of it feels great in your hands. You don't have that sharp edge at the corners. I don't know if I would like it or not, but I really do. Overall, the overall build is great on this phone. Now, another thing that's great about this phone is the display right here. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED panel is a beautiful panel. Look at it. It gets bright. I don't know how. Look, I have it halfway. I don't have any issues using this display in Texas at all. I love the panel. Samsung is known for it. You put that with the speakers on here, watching YouTube, Netflix, and you have a media powerhouse that you can assume all the technology you want as far as Netflix, YouTube, any other video service that you watch. You can use your phone. You don't need a computer or a TV. You can get it done with that phone right there in front of you. The one thing we can talk about is next is the cameras. They could be a little bit better. Now, don't get me wrong. Can you make excellent videos with this phone and take excellent pictures? Yes, you can do that. But could it be better? I think they're using a lot of AI technology when it comes with the pictures, and I think they need to tweak it some because there's competitors out there are doing it a little bit better. Now, again, you can run your YouTube channel with this cameras here, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, also with the One UI. This thing is a powerhouse to actually run a channel with. So the cameras could definitely be improved a little bit. I can't wait for more updates with that, and I would love to see this in about 6 months to a year later. I think everything will be tuned in and really great on there. Also, battery life has been really good. I can get between a day and a half of battery life, so no issues with that either. I love it. I love how I can get through a day and a half. If I really use the phone a lot, it might be a little bit less than that, but overall, I don't have a problem with it. I think it's optimized really good overall. Using it as an everyday phone, texting, making phone calls, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever you do on your phone, read emails, not a problem either. So overall, it is a solid device when you look at it from the complete package. Now, do we wish and hope that they would have made different improvements on this phone? Yes. Give the Bluetooth technology back to the S Pen. Give us a bigger battery. Give us more, charging speed, because it charges a little slow when you compare it to like the OnePlus and all these other devices out there. They could actually increase that and give us a little bit more charging speed for the phone. I know a lot of people complain about it's missing like the magnets in the back, so you could do MagSafe without the cases. I don't think that's a problem for me. And like I said, battery, S Pen, get the cameras a little bit better, and this phone would be really great. The last thing I want to talk about, should you upgrade if you have the S24 Ultra? I'm gonna put it right here. No, you should not upgrade. If you have the S24 Ultra, don't upgrade. It's that simple. Samsung did not make that phone for someone with the S24. They made it with the S21 users, S22, 23 users in mind. They know they can get someone to transfer over. So let's wrap it up. Overall, am I enjoying it? Yes. Could they do improvements on it? Yes. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming up on it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so. And until next video, peace, I'm out. Y'all have a great day. Leave some comments if you picked it up or not. Let me know. We can have a friendly discussion. Peace, I'm out.